So how do we actually play Black Ops 2 local play split screen zombies on our PlayStation 5? So the first thing I'm going to do is to just go into my game here, as you can see, and then we're gonna of course select zombies here. So we're gonna select zombies, and then we're gonna click on the local here, as you can see. And we're just gonna select a world now, I believe, so let's take this one. And now what I'm going to do, because you can see there's just one controller connected right now. So what I need to do is to connect the second one, which I'm going to do now. Just gonna click on this button here. And the second one is going to be, you can see I'm already logged in with this controller on my first profile here. So I have to add either a new user or assign it to this one. So I'm just gonna assign it to this one. And then I have to click on the X button here. And you can see now I have 2 players here, and then I can click on Start Match. So now the match is gonna start. And you can see now when the match is gonna start that I will be able to play split screen. So let's see here. It's gonna take us a couple of seconds here, I believe, to be able to start the game. So let's just wait. Yeah, here it is. You can see now one screen is there, the other one is right here. So that is basically exactly how to actually do this.